Subscribe our channel Online Islamic Classes English for English videos, and also subscribe our channel Online Islamic Classes Urdu for Urdu videos, and don't forget to click on the bell icon for all the new videos so you will get all the notifications. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Hafiz Bilal Ahmed, and inshallah in this class we are going to start the prayer at the time of dressing. So I will read first, you have to repeat after me. If you have any kind of question in this dua, please leave a message under this video. Now we start. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdu lillahi alladhi kasani haza ورزقنيه من غير حول مني ولا قوة. And if we stop, so we say ولا قوة. Now we say again الحمد لله الذي. Here we read the name of Allah in light sound, because before the name of Allah there is kasra under the lam. That's why we say lillahi alladhi. And the we long due to ya madda. Ya has a sukun sign, and there is kasra before the ya. Kasani. Sin we long due to alif madda. Alif is coming after fatha sign. Ni we long due to ya madda. Ya is coming with sukun sign on it, and there is kasra behind the ya. So that's why we long. Ha we long due to standing fatha. Zal we long again alif madda. Wa ra we read in heavy sound due to fatha sign on the ra. Qaf also we read in heavy sound. Nihi. Ya there is madda. That's why we long. Min ghairi. So here we make izhar. After the noon sakin, the next is the throttle letters, which is the ghain. So that's why we make the clear sound of noon here. So we say min ghairi. And the next hawlim minni. So here on the meme there is a shad sign. So we make idgham with ghunna, because after the tanween, like double kasra, the meme is coming, which is one of the from yarmalun letters. So that's why we make idgham with ghunna. And similarly on the noon also we make ghunna sound here. Hawlim minni. And noon we long due to ya madda. And maybe you are thinking that where you are finding kasra under the meme and under the noon. So basically the kasra is coming under the shad. So if under the shad signs come, that's meaning that signs are basically under the letters. So keep in mind this. And the next here, wala, lam we long due to alif madda, qaf we read in heavy sound. And in the end there is ta basically. And if we stop on this type of letter, so then what we do, we convert this ta into ha, and then also we skip whatever is on that letter. Like here is double kasra, we skip from here, and then we put a sukun sign here, so it will be quwwah. Now I read all together, so listen carefully. Alhamdulillahi alladhi kasani hadha wa razaqanihi min ghayri hawlin minni wala quwwah. Alhamdulillahilladhi kasani hadha wa razaqanihi min ghayri hawlin minni wala quwwah. Alhamdulillahilladhi kasani hadha wa razaqanihi min ghayri hawlin minni wala quwwah. And this is today's dua. Inshallah, in the next class we start the another dua. So if you like this video, so click on the like button and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Inshallah, see you in the next class with the new dua. Take care, stay tuned. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.